Mitosis. What is it? Mitosis is a process of cell replication. What is meiosis? The cell divides into two cells with half the chromosomes, making it a haploid. Meiosis is used for sex cell reproduction. Now we'll talk to Alex to find out more in-depth information on what meiosis really is. So Alex, tell us more about meiosis.
Sure, Danny! Don't mind me, I was just asexually reproducing. First thing you need to know is there are two different phases of meiosis. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Teleport!
Meiosis 1 separates homologous chromosomes producing two haploid cells. Thus, it can be referred to as reduction division. Meiosis 2 is the second part of the meiotic process. It is also known as equational division. It is very similar to that as mitosis, but the end results are fundamentally different. In meiosis 2, there are 4 haploid cells that are produced from the previous 2 haploid cells.
Professor Dr. Swagiolo here, and we all know that in the second telophase, the chromosomes are doubled right before cytokinesis occurs. However, sometimes what happens is, instead of all 4 going into 2 separate cells, sometimes one tags along and the other one is by itself. When this occurs, a third chromosome, or a part of the third one, is then in an entire cell, making it one too many. When this occurs, it results in children with Down syndrome. This usually occurs on the 21st chromosome, and scientists believe this is because it is the smallest chromosome and it's the toughest for them to pull apart.
Now let's go retrieve Professor Juan Eagles. Greetings, Professor Juan Eagles.
Hello, Professor YOLO 2604.
So, Professor Juan Eagles, could you please explain to us the origins of meiosis?
There are two conflicting theories on how meiosis arose. One is that meiosis evolved from bacterial sex, called transformation, during the evolution of eukaryotes. The other is that meiosis arose from mitosis.
Why enlighten me? Alright, Mr. Eagles, let's go for a walk.
I hate walks. You and his natural walks in more.